Are we real? Are we turning to dust? Do you feel what I feel? Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy of claim. With us nothing moves forward, it just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together.
Hi Zithandwa Zam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another vlog. Yeah, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Nomzamongwana, and if you're a regular, thank you so much for dropping back by. But if you're new, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you can become a part of my family. So today I'm just chilling at home. I'm not doing much. My friend got me flowers yesterday. She came for volume is quite high. She got me flowers yesterday. She came to see me. It's so nice. We had a cute setup outside. We had like a cheese board, we had some sushi. It was very relaxed and it was quite a vibe. So thank you for dropping by, my friend. And she left quite late too, so I really enjoyed that. But you guys would have seen it in the previous vlog, so this is just a continuation from that vlog. This is just literally the next day. I thought I would just carry on vlogging, you know. Oh my god, I'm watching the East States. Yeah, so I'm just sitting in the lounge. The aim when I came down here was to read my book, and to be, you know, quite honest with you guys, I've been slacking. I think I haven't read it for like 2 days straight, so I need to get through it. I'm in chapter, is it chapter 4? It is. Yeah, I'm in this part here, the intention. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the part where I'm at right now. I'm not even halfway through it, and March is fast, April is fast approaching. I want to finish this before the 1st of April, so I don't know if that's gonna be possible, but yeah, we're reading. At least we're reading, right? The only reason I haven't read it much is honestly because I've been in bed. I've been sleeping most of the time, and also I bought a new phone, so I've been stuck on the phone. Otherwise, yeah, it's a good book. It's not like it's boring me or anything like that. It's just been in bed the whole time because I've been taking pain medication, and also I've just been stuck on my new phone, so it's that type of thing. So yeah, let me catch up on some TV, and then you and I will probably catch up later. The time now, it's quite early. The time now is 08, so I'm just reading my messages now. The time now is 08:40, so it's literally 22. It is 22:09. Yeah, so yeah, let me catch up on some TV, and then you and I will catch up later. Kiss, 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 kiss. Here's Zithandwa Zam. We are sitting here because I just took a shower and I want to get ready to see my doctor for the post-op appointment. So I want to just put a bit of makeup. I haven't done this in so long. I was telling my husband that I don't think I still remember how to put on makeup because it's been that long. So let's get fixed up. I've had this wig for 3 days now on. I think it needs a bit of a fix. I think it does need a bit of a fix. Let me adjust my lighting a bit. That's better. Let's fix the hair first, and then we will fix the makeup. Oh god, later. I need to set my tablets while I can still remember. These are my vitamins. I took the pain meds earlier on. These are
do 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 do, yeah. Do 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 do. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show?
Wait, guys, did you watch Young Famous and African? Is that what it is? Yeah. Young Famous and African. It's on Netflix. It's very entertaining, but obviously a lot of people are saying they're acting. Which reality show doesn't have a script? So that was my question when people were saying that, like, maybe they are exaggerating it a little bit, I don't know, or maybe they're just bad reality show actors. But you know what, they're not bad to me. I really enjoy it. I really enjoyed it. I watched 7 episodes. There was only 7 episodes, so that's all I could watch. I'm waiting for more episodes. You should really check it out. Like, there's Uzari, the boss lady. I absolutely love her. I've always stalked her on Instagram. I just love her. She's just gorgeous. Apart from being beautiful, I love how she's well driven. She's very focused. She's rich. She's, you know, she doesn't have a man. Well, maybe she does have a boyfriend, but she broke up with Diamond years ago when he cheated on her. Like, I've always been obsessed over her. And then the girls on the show don't like her. I love Nadia Nakai. She's there, but obviously she and Nadia Nakai and Zari are not buddies at all. There's like a clique. Yo Kanyimba, no Nadia Nakai, and they're hating on Zari for the most stupidest thing you can ever think of. Like, I'll give you an example. There was this one time when Zari had an event. Her event was I'm gonna do my brows now. Her event was about, oh, they went on a cow train, not a cow train, blue train. Why am I thinking of cow train? Yeah, they went on a blue train. Zari invited all of them, and then she was making a speech, not even a formal speech. She was just saying that thank you so much, guys, for honoring my invite. The fact that she said my invite, the ladies lost their marbles because she said my invite. Tell me what's wrong with that, because I didn't understand what the issue was with her saying that. So maybe there's something wrong with me. They were like, no, you're acting like a celebrity. We're all celebrities here. You want to be glorified for inviting us. And then Andile calls, not Andile, Naked DJ, Kim Tandan. He says to Kanye, you made about 6 or 7 speeches at your event and nobody interrupted you. Nobody said anything. Zari was talking, giving a speech, and here goes this thing again, the noise. And you in any way giggling. Any is Two-Face's wife. Is it Two-Face or Two-Papa? Something like that. I don't know her. But apparently she's an actress as well. She's from Nigeria. So they were busy giggling. And she's like, and Naked is like, no, that was rude. You don't do that. What's wrong with saying my event? You had an event, you made about 6 speeches, nobody interrupted you. We respected you as the host. And she was making a speech and saying thank you. She was grateful that you came through. You honored her invite. So what's the big deal? And Kanye was just being a baby that Zari wants us to, like, you know, worship her and stuff like that. She thinks it's all that. Nadia never liked Zari at all because she and Diamond is also there. Diamond, Zari's ex, Zari's baby daddy. We had a flirtatious type of thing going on. So she already was very upset when Zari was invited by Diamond to come over at some evening at his place when all of them were invited and Zari showed up. So she was upset about that, and ever since she didn't like Zari. She's damn gorgeous, guys. She's damn gorgeous, and the girls are just intimidated. I don't get it. And she's like, you know what, guys, I don't get why you want me to stoop to your level. Like, if I'm up here and you feel like you're down here, you're projecting your own insecurities on me. Like, if I'm here up here, how about you come up and meet me here? And she made a valid point. She's like, so you want me to stoop to your level and drop down because you feel I'm up there? Like, make it make sense. And she was like, so right. Like, I just love her, guys. Let me just do this makeup, child. Let me do this makeup. I always struggle to do my brows when I'm laying my wig because this thing is weird. I have it really tight, so it sort of like shrinks my skin, and then I can't really see how my brows are shaped. It's annoying. But I want to keep it on for a bit more longer, for a little longer, so I'm keeping it on a little longer. Yeah, young, rich, young, famous and African. Love it, love it, love it. Andile no Zari, they have a thing going on. Unajanaka has got this boyfriend from, I think, overseas and stuff. And Vic, I don't know Vic from anywhere. Apparently he's a rapper or something. They've been talking for a while, and she goes on vacation with him to see him. And then she comes back later and she breaks up with him. That was so funny. She comes back and she breaks up with him because of something that Andile mentioned about him not having a father figure in his life and holding on to relationships. Yeah, it was a very confusing storyline that I didn't find worth being aired. But yeah, maybe someone else could relate, but for me it was just blah, blah, blah. Yeah. I'm gonna do my skin and I'm gonna put on it. Just dropped my mascara. And I'm gonna time lapse after this because I wanna be here for a while if I keep talking. I have to fix this brows because they're letting me down. These brows are letting me down. Forget about them, I'll fix them later. Oh my god, I can't believe I even used this rose water spray. This rose water spray. I bought this last year. If I tell you that I buy things that I don't need, this, if you don't believe me, this is proof enough, because I bought this last year. I'm only opening it now. And the other day I was telling you guys that I bought this wig last year, and I only wore it now. I mean, guys, I need help.
Getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear.
I think I look better now. I'm torn between a nude lip and a red lipstick, so I don't know which color I'm gonna put on. Let me do my hair while I decide, and then I'll put on mascara. I'm not putting any lashes because it's a doctor's visit. I don't walk in there and people think I'm here to seduce the doctor. It's funny. but I just want it to look put together. I haven't put on makeup in so long. Yo, in so long. This is the heat defense spray from Tresemme, just to protect this hair from heat damage. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Me. Also with the hair, I'm not doing too much. I'm just you know what I mean, party, you know what I mean. Oh God, what's that, man? You know what I mean, God. Oh my world. Oh my world. You know what I mean, God. 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 I think my makeup looks good. Oh God, the spray is good, eh? It's good. It's good. It's giving me vibes. My lips look so dark because I've got a liner on and I'm torn between. Oh God. I'm torn between this Hermes Flow lipstick and this MAC red. So deciding. When I've decided, I'm obviously gonna mix the reds because I like mixing the reds. So this is the Ruby Woo one, and the other one is a retro something. What? Feels so good, grand. Feels so grand. Looking for here. Mascara. This Hermes Flow thingy because I really don't know what I want to wear on my lips. What's on my tip? I don't know, does it work? Not feeling it. But it says doctor appointment, right? It says doctor's appointment. Am I right? Live it, yeah? Live it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm done. I'm just gonna get dressed and then we're gonna go. I don't even know what the time is. 25 past 10. Still like an hour before I can leave, so let that I'll get done quickly. So hi. Hi. Say hi.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down.
My makeup looks a mess because of a masky. Here's Zithandwa. I'm back from the doctor. I want to show you the stuff that I bought from the from Checkers specifically. Let me tell you a story. I went to Checkers because I wanted to buy a SIM card, and then when I got there, completely slipped my mind, and that is just annoying because I really need the SIM card. Show you the stuff that I bought. Oh, I also bought these things for my wound, which is not from Checkers though, from Clicks. These are like the gauze and the plasters and stuff for dressing my wound. This is what I'm excited about. I bought these cute containers for, these are the coffee, tea and milk containers. Look at the design. How stunning is this? So they have 3 different sizes. They have one that's like this short, and they have one that's like this tall. So as they get bigger, they get more expensive. This was 79 rand 99, which is like 80 rand. So I got 3. I paid about 240 if I'm not mistaken. They've got a lead, and then it's got a sticky thing so that when you close it, it sort of like sticks like that. I really love it. They've got 2 colors if you're interested. They still have quite a bit. They have this color, and then they have the lemon mintish mint color with the same lid, the brown lid. I really like them. I think they look really cool and really stunning. So, and I mean, the price is like ridiculous, 80 rands, imagine. And they've got this vintage vibe, which I really love. I really love. Like, look at that. Yeah. Anyway, ending of the vlog here. Thank you so much, Zithandwa Zam, for watching. And yeah, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below if you have anything to say. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. I need you to subscribe for me to get to 500 subscribers, and then we can keep, you know, ticking those goals, and we're like 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I don't know. I don't think it's possible though, but a girl can dream, right? Thank you so much for watching. I really love you guys so much, and have a fabulous day or evening or morning, whatever it is. Bye.